I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, Mustang. My name is Marshawn.
My name is Jose.
We had volleyball trials yesterday. There was a lot of footage. Let's check it out.
Have you played volleyball before? Yeah. Nice. Wait. Ben. Oh, wait.
There's a lot of people in the building that you haven't met.
Let's meet them all now.
Hi, this is Ms. Sewell, your 7th grade school counselor. I'm here to help you in regards to your academic, social, emotional, or career domains. Therefore, if you need any help, I'm here to help you. Also, in regards to schedule changes, I'll accept schedule changes up until Monday.
Hi, I'm Ms. Barrios, the bilingual secretary here at Morningside Middle School. I'm here to respond to any of your needs as a parent, anything that the students might need as well. We're here to help. Hola, soy la señora Berríos de aquí de la recepción de Morningside Middle School. Estoy lista y preparada para atender cualquier necesidad que tengan los padres, al igual que los alumnos. Y como ven, pues hablo español para poderme comunicar con ustedes.
Hello everyone, my name is Angela Ratley and I am your front office receptionist, clerk. Welcome all new scholars and staff to Morningside Middle School. I look forward to working with each of you this year. Have a great year.
Hi, I'm Ms. Singleton. I am the Student Concern Specialist for 7th grade. This is my 7th school year. I absolutely love my kids. I love my team, and I am proud to be a part of the Mustang family.
Don't forget Tuesday's open house.
Tikiz will be here September the 2nd. Cash is preferred, but they take card too. Here's the weather for today.
Already testing is almost done. Keep working hard. The score you'll get at the end of your already testing will determine the class you'll get.